Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. You need to begin by holding your device's display. When you're ready, tap on Home Settings. Now click on Icon Size and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see preview above. When you finished, tap on Home button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!